Going for a walk with George and Tyke now. Daisy and Keegan are chilled out. Mr. Tyke need a little skater. Mr. George will do some shadow handling. Me and my little shadow. Whether I have the leash in my hand or not. Key is when I'm stopped, they're stopped. Honey. When I start to go, let's go. Let's go. And you stick close by. If leash is in my hand or dropped on the ground, just sticks close by. Way to go, honey. Sit. Yes. Excellent. Good boy. Go sniff. Good word. Go sniff. Good. Well, Tyke-a-Needle's gonna stick close by. Come here, honey. Tyke. Good boy. Tapping my leg. Sit. Good boy. Here comes the George! Yay, let's go! Fun and have some fun. You know, we're staying slowly, he's staying on the same side. I stop. He stops. Georgie, you're so smart and such a good boy.